Don't download Drift Enterprise iMarketing Suite app before watching this. Before you download Drift Enterprise iMarketing Suite, here's a surprising truth: it's more than a conversational marketing tool. At the enterprise level, Drift combines iChat, lead routing, and account-based marketing, but many teams get it wrong by underutilizing its automation. Step 1. Define your goals. Drift allows iChatbots, live chat, and email automation. Without a clear strategy, automated messages can feel robotic and ineffective. Step 2. Design conversational workflows. Enterprise features let you create complex lead routing and personalized journeys. Most teams get this wrong by skipping testing, which leads to lost opportunities. Step 3. Integrate with CRM and marketing platforms. Drift works best when connected to Salesforce, HubSpot, or other systems. Without integration, leads can fall through the cracks, reducing ROI. Step 4. Monitor performance and optimize. Drift provides analytics on engagement, conversion, and bot performance. The surprising truth is, dashboards only help if teams act on insights consistently. The upside: proper use of Drift Enterprise can increase lead capture by up to 40% and accelerate sales cycles with intelligent, personalized engagement. So should you download it? Yes, if your team can implement iWorkflows, monitor results, and integrate systems. For smaller teams, simpler chat tools may be more practical. Subscribe for expert insights to make the most of enterprise marketing platforms.